So you want to be a moon colonist. But space wants to kill you with radiation. You need 6 feet of shielding between your soft human body and the universe. You can't fit 6 feet of anything on a rocket. But good news, the moon is buried in the perfect shielding material. It's called regolith. It's free. It's everywhere. It's literally the ground. The problem? Every current plan to live on the moon could be better. You could dig everyone underground, like moles. You could pour a 50-foot pyramid of loose dirt on top of your habitat. You could microwave moon dust into little bricks. You could fill sandbags. Or you could use RegoBrix. Fold flat, pop open, interlocking regolith bricks. Your robots scoop dirt in. The bricks lock together. You have a shielding wall now. Congratulations, you're not dead. They're also crystal clear because, did the robot actually fill the brick? Is a question you really want answered before the solar flare. Flat-packed, they ship at 4% of their expanded volume. An entire habitat's worth of shielding fits in a carry-on, and at $100 million a ton to orbit prices, that's the difference between moon base and moon fantasy. RegoBrix IP is royalty-free to every moon colonist. We're not charging you to survive. Choose not to die on the moon. Live on it with RegoBrix.